All right, did you rock around the Christmas tree? Okay, I got my Def Leppard shirt on. All right, so I did a little bit of rocking. All right, a little bit of break dancing, disco. Man, if you're my age, I have been through, let's see, I guess the twist, disco dancing, and then who remembers break dancing? And now I don't know what people do now. I just know there's this with the YMCA going on. Okay, so uh, anyway, Merry Christmas. I hope you had at least a great holiday if you celebrated it or not. And I guess we're going to have to do this New Year's thing in a couple days. Okay, today, oh my God, it's the 26th of December, 2024. 2024, it really hauled buns for me. Okay, it just went boom, wham. Just I can't believe how fast. And boy, as far as my online business, it keeps me busy. And I like it. I have to work. Okay, if I don't have something to do all day, I go freaking nuts. You can probably tell by my insane amount of videos. Who does 3,800 videos just regarding LiveGood? That don't include my other businesses online. Okay, I'm a big fan of working. I want to be valuable. I have to do something. I know winning Powerball and having millions and boy, just living that lifestyle with a laptop on the beach and rubbing suntan lotion on your butt cheeks, just going, man, this is awesome. Okay, that probably is, but when you get home, it's like, no, well, now what do I do? Mow the lawn. Okay, well, I'm going to hire someone to mow my lawn. And, well, let's see, update my wardrobe. Well, I've dressed this way since birth. I go to Walmart with $10. I buy a Def Leppard shirt. I got this Ford Bronco hat for free. All right, I don't need a lot of crazy money right now at this time in my life. I just like to save. And I hope that you are in the same, God, I don't want to say boat, but I love when your mindset is, look, I just want to be normal. I don't need to watch a video about the Lamborghini and the helicopter landing on the yacht. Okay, and having Cristal in the club. Okay, now if you're 18 years old, you're not old enough to be in the club. And if you're 21 to 45, I get it. If you want to go to the club and go blow $1,000 for a bunch of dildos, then go ahead. But if you like to just have savings, and this, after a year and a half of me doing this, going on my 2-year anniversary is about March to April of this coming year in 2025. So I got about another 3 or 4 months before I can say, okay, I finally got 2 years under my belt. You know what my favorite part is about having my online business and making enough money to where bills, I do worry about them, but I don't freak out because I have enough money to pay them. Months and months and months and months and months down the road. I like to wake up when I want, and it's usually to pee. And I like to take a nap if I need to. And if I want to go to bed early or stay up late, that's one of the most important things. And I never see any video like Tony Robbins or all those other gurus, Gary Vaynerchuk. Who else are gurus out there? Grant Cardone running to his airplane, checking his watch all the time. I got a 10X. Or Eric Worre. All the people that I watch, the only one I probably relate to the most is Gary Vaynerchuk because he dresses normal, just being from Edison, New Jersey. He wears tennis shoes. And it's funny when I watch his videos, he has an office, I think in New York, and his office has trinkets and everything like I do. Football, I think Jets, is it a Jets football helmet? I think he's a massive Jets fan. He wants to buy the team. But I like all these gurus. I think they're all interesting and fun to watch, and I usually get a little bit of something from watching their videos, especially when they're just free on YouTube like mine are, okay? But I want to be the first one to say that if you can work at home in a Def Leppard shirt or in your kitchen, maybe it's an extra bedroom, you can work on, let's say, your cell phone, and just relax and have a normal life, and maybe wake up when you want. Now, if you're a mother, father, if you are a parent that just has to get up and smack those kids' butts into gear to get them off to school, okay, let's just say you do that, and then you come home and you can take a bath. or you can go back to sleep for a little while, a couple hours. All right, let's say you get up at 6, get your kids off to school by 7, 7:30. You get home by 8 and go, I'm still tired. I'm going back to bed for a couple hours. That's how I'm thinking right now. Now, 10, 20, 30 years ago, I'd be like, oh man, I want to be on the beach. And where's all my dildo friends? Because I'm living my laptop lifestyle. Yeah, I got a laptop in the sun on the beach with sand going in the hard drive. I got crabs trying to snack on my butt cheeks because I'm on one of those chairs that's super low into the sand. Okay, I'm not that guy anymore. I'm just not. But if you're looking to have a legit opportunity where you can make money at home, I think I can show you how to do that. It starts with LiveGood. LiveGood is a slow burn. You'll make a little bit of money, but the way that I use LiveGood is that juicy piece of steak to capture other income streams that all complement each other, like a taco shell, taco meat, cheese. How about sour cream? And do you like the green or the red hot sauce? I like both. That's how I look at LiveGood. It is a magnet. You can bring other businesses into LiveGood's ecosystem and I think be successful because I'm doing it. Okay? I'm practicing what I'm preaching. I don't memorize some video or join something and because somebody says that they're successful that well guys, these people here emailed me and they're doing great. And boy, this new startup is awesome because I just have an email that says so. Maybe 10, 20, 30 years ago, I would believe all that, but I don't now. I'm a little long in the tooth. I'm damn near 60, guys. I've been there, done that. I've been around the block 10 times, not once. Well, I've been around the block a few times. Hell, that was in my 20s. I'm damn near 60. I've been around this earth like 30, 40, 50,000 times. I mean, when you take your birthday, let's just take 60 years and divide that by 365, or take 365 and times it by 60, you could see how many times you've been hauling ass through space. It's a lot. You know what you don't want now. All right, I don't want bullcrap. I'm not going to sit and go to college and take forever to learn something. I like to sit with a cup of coffee, maybe something nice to drink in the afternoon, and watch setup videos, training videos. I think it's relaxing. I think it's fun. I call it mirroring, where you watch one screen and then do what that, setup video tells you to do on the other screen. And then if you don't understand, go back to the other screen and pause it. Or if you just have one computer, open up one, browser. What is it? I use Google Chrome. Watch a setup video, pause it after 20 seconds, open up the other screen, and then do what that video says. And I don't have to dress up. I don't have to go to the freeway and be in traffic and then go to school with books and sit there. And then I forget almost everything that I learned while I'm at that establishment. It could be a city college, a college. It could be an after school type thing, or maybe a neighborhood community educational course. I mean, who knows? But with today's technology, you can sit and in my opinion, get Harvard level of quality education right online, right where you're sitting right now. If you're on your phone, behind your steering wheel in your car watching, or if you're just kind of hanging back on a home computer like I am right now. The world is your oyster. Go like this and tickle them. It makes me kind of giggle. But to have this much power and information while just sitting at home in your Def Leppard shirt, I could have boxer shorts on now. I might not even have pants on. Why get dressed if you can't see from my Def Leppard logo down? Why do I even have to wear socks and fancy shoes? Okay, that's right. I'll be Commando Cory. That's right, I'm Commando Cory. I'm Commando the whole way except for my Def Leppard shirt and my Ford Bronco hat that I got for free. Okay, so guys, if you're watching my videos, all I want you to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, because every day I like to talk about what I do that earns me money. Sure, I talk about some other things here and there, but with video, I think personality, you get to know somebody. You can go to their Facebook page if they have one, or their Instagram, or maybe you get an email from them. I do everything, okay? I just spread content, okay? Kind of like, ooh, here he comes. Here comes that Cory guy, but guess what I don't do? I don't talk about any of my businesses face to face other than a business card. So if we are at a party or a little get together or we're at a car show, if you ask me about business, I just give you a card and say, go to joincory.com. It goes right to a LiveGood page that talks about the opportunity and everything else in a 6-minute video. And if you want to join, put your name and email address in a box and hit the button. And if you want to do that and get 30 days of more information about LiveGood, and they're good emails, trust me, they get people to sign up, because usually I'll get a sign up and I don't know where it came from. But guess what I do? I'm not shy. I'll either talk to them, email them, inbox them and say, how the hell did you find out about LiveGood and why did you join my group? And they tell me. People are like, where do you get your statistics? What's your algorithm? How do you do this and that? Well, I talk to people. I'm a people person. Is it the purple people eater? Remember that? The purple polka dot bikini purple eater or whatever? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers and had a party by eating Peter Piper pizza in Palm Springs. That's a lot of pee. And guess what? That's the first thing I do when I get up. And if I didn't have this problem with this thing, I'd probably sleep more. But you know what wakes me up now? Not my job. It's my Wang Chung, that damn thing. So anyway, all right, guys, thanks for the last 11 minutes. All right, I have a blast doing LiveGood. I really do. To do videos like this, knowing that there's a chance of making money, and then I do, oh, man, what a great feeling. I want you to have the same feeling too, okay? Guys, go to joincory.com. Please just watch that 6-minute video. Put your name and email address in. You don't have to join. I just want to send you an email. One a day for 30 days, and you can opt out at any time. And if you want to join, I'm going to give you a nice email. But let's just not talk little bits of money that LiveGood can bring you in the beginning. I want you to make a lot more than that, okay? And I'm just going to show you how for free. I don't charge for my information, guys. Okay, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you see me on Facebook, just Google my name. You'll find me. Go ahead and inbox me anytime, okay? Peace and love, man. All right, let's have a happy new year in a couple days. All right, high five. Okay, boom. We'll see you guys next video. Bye.